Hey beauty lovers! Today we're diving deep into the secrets of applying Perez mineral makeup. I always start by applying my eye makeup first, and I'm starting with one of my favorite eyeshadows, Nude E10, applying it across my lid to bring that subtle glow to my eyes. And I'm also applying it just under the eyebrows for the extra pop. Next up, I apply brown E10 eyeshadow just above my crease line and on the upper outer lids. It adds such depth and dimension, creating a captivating look that's perfect for any occasion. For defining my eyes, I personally love the softer and more natural touch, so I'm using brown eyeliner as opposed to black. Taking my angled brush, I apply the eyeliner starting from the outer eyelid, and I like to extend it slightly onto the upper lid. Then I apply a touch of the brown eyeliner pencil, tracing it along the lower lash line or waterline. I then marry it up to the brown powder eyeliner on the upper lids. Then it's time to blend to ensure a flawless transition between shades, softening the look for that professional finish we all crave. Time to clean up and define those lines. Grab a damp cotton wool pad with a hint of moisturizer and wipe under the eyes, sweeping up to the temples. This not only cleans up any excess, but also sharpens the outer eyeliner for a polished appearance. And now the piece de resistance, applying mascara. Now let's move on to an essential step, primers and color correctors. I consider myself lucky because the only correction I really have to do is cover up a touch of redness on my nose. For this, I am using the green concealer Mint C10 and a trusty concealer brush. As you can see here, applying the concealer to just half of my nose makes a noticeable difference between the two halves. It's incredible how these correctors can work wonders. At Perez, we also have an array of correctors: yellow, violet, peach, and even blue, each with its unique purpose, whether it's neutralizing discolorations under the eyes or brightening the face. And let's not forget the primers. They each have their own special place in our routine. They're fantastic for covering up open pores, spots, and any other skin discolorations. Using primers and correctors before applying foundation means that the foundation has less work to do. It's all about creating that perfect flawless base for the rest of our makeup. And now I'm applying foundation Velvet Touch HF15 to my face and neck using my kabuki brush. I personally love this foundation as the texture is creamy and smooth. This mineral foundation looks and feels like a second skin. Now the skin on the face is now a blank canvas. So now we're going to enhance these features with a touch of shaping powder. Using again a concealer brush, I apply the concealer brush to areas that I wish to reduce, such as the jowls, under the chin, the sides of the nose. It's incredible how this step adds dimension and brings out the best in our features. And of course, blending is key. I use a brush, but here's a little secret. I also like to use my fingers for that seamless blend between each application of mineral makeup. Now, let's bring in a sun-kissed warmth with a touch of bronzer. I'm using Sun Glow, and this is where the magic really starts to happen. Apply it to areas like the upper outer cheekbones and outer temples, swirling in a C shape, and it creates a radiant and lifted effect. This technique beautifully enhances the structure, creating a natural and sun-kissed glow. Now, adding the final touch, lipstick. I've chosen Pink LS10, a shade that complements and elevates the entire look. Applying it to the lips, adds a perfect pop of color, bringing balance and harmony to the overall makeup. Now, beauty lovers, if you found these tips helpful or discovered a new favorite product, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me. And please consider subscribing to our channel for more beauty secrets. Thank you for being a part of today's glam session. Until next time, stay radiant, stay confident, and most importantly, stay beautiful. See you in the next video.